meron akong tinatawag na fuck-worthy list.
Okay.
So, ang aking fuck-worthy list, affirmations are really huge on me. So, ang affirmation ko is, last year ko siya na-discover. Na-kick out ako parang naging homeless ako at one point in my college life.
Remember passing around slam books when you're in high school? Those questions about your crush, your dreams, your friends, and even your first love. We thought they were just for fun.
But what if those questions actually held the secrets to success?
Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire! This is the podcast where we ask the millionaires the same slam book questions to uncover how their childhood and teenage years shaped their path to wealth.
Each week, we will sit down with inspiring individuals to reveal the hidden stories behind their extraordinary journeys.
We will discover how their childhood dreams became realities, how they overcame their biggest challenges, and who helped them along the way. My name is Joanna.
My name is Dev. Get ready to be inspired and learn from the slam book secrets of the self-made millionaires.
Subscribe now, and together, let's unlock the secrets to success. Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire, Episode 8! Pahaba ng pahaba yung 8 natin. So, grabe, Jevely, ang layo lang ng narating ng Slam Book Millionaire.
Parang sa kabilang side lang.
Yeah, imagine, nakaka-8 episodes na tayo, ganun-ganun lang.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, yes. And of course, we're so grateful, no, dun sa mga past guests natin who are so generous in terms of giving their time for us.
And also their insights, sharing
super
their stories.
busy people making their own millions, and of course, having lots or millions of followers. Katulad ng bagong guest natin ngayong hapon na to.
Excited ako dito.
Yes. What makes you excited?
Ngayon ko lang siya makakausap na on a personal level. Kasi puro trabaho.
Puro trabaho.
Yes!
Bakit
Masyadong
ganun? Ba't
workaholic.
kami nagmamaritesan lang kami? I envy you. Joke lang. Pero excited ka sa conversation na to. Ano ba yung mga plinano mong itanong sa kanya?
Kasi kilala to sa social media.
May libro siya, by the way.
He has huge following and I want to know more about him. Yung sino ba talaga itong taong ito? Ano ba yung interest niya, hobbies niya?
Yes.
Kasi usually people know about him na he's very witty and very smart about...
He's actually very serious. Kasi
talaga ba? Dito natin malalaman. Dito natin
Hindi, alam mo kung bakit. The first time that the first video I think na napanood ko sa kanya is all about love. Because he was recovering from a heartache that
parang
time.
Gusto ko yan.
Pero ngayon, syempre, super happy na siya.
Oh, yes.
Talagang 180-degree naman yung binago ng love life. Tawagin na lang natin sa pangalang Yani yata, yung may kagagawan ng lahat ng kasiyahan
and she's also
na to.
famous in social media.
Yes, both of them. Power couple.
Power couple
right?
na power couple.
Yeah. Ako naman, I met this guy kasi, of course, through Yani. Yani kasi has been attending our events, and then, of course, I've been seeing their contents, and then Yani kasi has always messaged me na, Madam, let's do your personal branding na, charva, ganyan. Until I made a decision, tapos, ayun, umattend na nga tayo ng program niya sa Mega Mall, right? Yung content creation, and then right on the spot, gumawa tayo ng content natin.
Naalala ko yun. Parang, sobrang, anong gagawin ko? Sobrang tense ako. Paano ba to? Ba't ba ako nandito?
Ako naman talaga, alam mo yung analysis paralysis at saka yung pagiging wanting to perfect everything, talagang binasag niya ng husto. Kaya sabi ko, this guy is different, no? Okay, sige, I wanna learn from him. So I enrolled to him. Pero at that time, I was starting in TikTok, and then more on parang collaboration. I still do, and then siya yung nag-guide together with his team, and every week nagmi-meet talaga kami together with his team, and he would give me insights and advice with regards to the content that I was doing back then. And I find it talaga valuable. Sabi ko, this man, ang lalim ng utak niya in terms of how to provide value to other people. So, right then and there talaga, nagkaroon na kagad ng malaking trust and respect ako para sa kanya. He earned the right. Kumbaga, parang whoever he is right now in social media with all the followings na meron siya, talaga namang karapat-dapat. Deserve.
Yes.
#deserve.
Actually, gusto kong matutunan sa kanya. I mean, paano mag-isip ang isa?
Alec
Cuenca.
Cuenca. So, eto na nga. Tawagin na po natin siya, no? Without further ado, I'm sure you guys are so excited already. The moment na nakita niyo yung teaser namin, sino ba yung next guest namin? At eto na nga po, pinaunlakan na po tayo sa napaka-busy schedule niya. Mr. Alec Cuenca or Coach Alec.
Grabe.
Ayan.
Grabe naman yun. Sana pala lagi na ako nag-guest. Napupuno bigla yung yung affirmations ko. But thank you so much for having me. Nakakatuwa na in your own perspective, ganun yung pala ako nakikita. And I really appreciate the kind words. And I'm just really happy kasi syempre when you called me with this idea ng Slam Book Millionaire, sabi ko, grabe, sobrang kakaiba. Bakit ako hindi ko naisip yun? Pero nakakatuwa kasi this is really a great way for people, maybe just like me as well. Kasi I also have a podcast, diba? And I rarely get the chance to be asked questions. I usually do the asking.
Yes.
So ngayon parang first time din talaga siya for
How
me.
does it feel? How does it feel to be on the other
Nakakaba
side?
pala talaga.
Hindi ka mukhang kabado, ha?
Nanginginig na ako, hindi nyo na nakikita.
Guys,
Paki-edit na lang
if
para
this is
hindi
the look
kita.
of a kabado, paano na lang talaga yung kinakabahan? Pero dahil nasabi mo na kanina, Coach Alec, nasabi mo na kanina na we were already feeling your cup, your mug, no? So, babato mo na lang mamaya sa bank account ko yung joke lang. May bayad pala. Pero siguro let's start with that. Ano po ba ang love language mo?
Ooh.
Mabigat
Giving and
agad.
receiving. Oh, love
Serious agad.
Love language.
Oo, kasi
Okay.
sinabi niyo yung
Yes.
yung na-feel kagad yung niya.
Alam
So,
mo,
I have an idea na.
Nakakatuwa kasi nagbago siya through time.
Yes.
Parang siguro growing up, akala ko physical touch. But I think essential talaga siya for me or for anyone na magkaroon ng physical touch. Kahit nga magkaibigan kayo,
Yes.
kailangan
True.
meron pa rin kayo fist bump or appear, ganon.
I
Pero ngayon,
think kasi, di ba, as human kasi, I think that's what separate us from the other species na we can distinguish this touch, this sensory, di ba? Yan,
Oo.
senses. Yan. Okay.
So yun. So, parang for me, nag-evolve siya into my receiving is it's words of affirmation.
Mhm.
So I really appreciate when medyo tumatatakad din sa akin kapag na-appreciate ko pag people say good things to me. And medyo tumatatak din siya pag medyo masakit yung sinasabi ng mga tao.
Yeah.
It's hard to forget about it or move
Oo.
on.
Medyo, ewan ko, parang meron
Even
siyang
until
sa akin.
now, even in your status right now that you have been followed by hundreds and thousands of people.
Yes, pero medyo filtered na lang. Siguro parang hindi na, dati kasama rin yung sinasabi ng ibang tao online. Pero ngayon, yung mga close people na lang na medyo, meron ako tinatawag na na fuckworthy list.
Okay.
So, ang aking fuckworthy list, ito yung mga close people na pag sa kanila nang galing, medyo either
Okay ka lang.
papakinggan ko or medyo sasaktan din ako. Parang gano'n.
Okay.
Sila yung merong parang say sa akin. So, yun ang affirmation ko. Receiving
The
ka affirmation.
Receiving, yes.
Ang giving ko ay time.
Okay.
Time. So, pag I make sure na, kaya ang weird minsan, din sa amin din ng partner ko, si Yani, na kahit nagtatrabaho lang kami, pero andyan lang siya sa kabilang kwarto. Like, masaya na ako. Kasi parang, yung oras ko.
Haba ng hair yan.
Nag-evolve ba
Naku
to? Even
naman.
before, it's always time.
Before, ang giving ko is affirmations din. Dahil,
Through and through, no?
medyo,
Parang you're big on this. Ako, I have a follow-up question dyan, di ba? It's words of affirmation. And you mentioned that meron kang fact-worthy list pag sila yung nagsabi. How do you deal with this? When meron kang narinig na mga feel like, parang hurtful. How do you deal with these words? Meron ka bang practice na ginagawa para makamove forward or hindi ka masyadong maapektuhan?
Yeah. So, syempre, hindi mo maiiwasan na meron talaga masasabi yung mga tao sa paligid mo kahit na hindi mo naman hingin yung opinion nila.
Yes.
True.
People are so opinionated.
Yes.
Let's just accept it.
Ganun
diba?
talaga,
Yes.
'di ba? Wala kang gawin, meron kang gawin, meron
Silang
silang masasabi.
sasabihin.
So for me, kapag medyo masakit talaga, syempre alam ko din na tinitignan ko kasi siya as feedback eh. So dinadala ko siya dun sa nakalista sa sa fuckworthy list ko. Tapos tinatanong ko, uy, si ganito ang nasabi niya ganito.
Ina-assess mo,
Parang-
ina-process.
Oo. Tapos humingi ako ng parang second opinion.
Okay.
Parang kunyari, sinabi niya na, uy, yung isa nagsabi, for example, uy, yung isa nagsabi, you're rushing into things. Let's say, gano'n. Masyado ka nagmamadali. Medyo masakit yun. Parang mapapa-question ako, nagmamadali ba ako? Ngayon, dadaling ko yun, yung feedback na yun, dun sa taong that I care about. Or yung nasa fuckworthy list ko. Tapos natanong ako, nagmamadali ba ako? Tapos sila magbigay, hindi ka naman nagmamadali. Okay lang, chill ka lang.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero
So,
do you filter it ba? Like kasi 'di ba like halimbawa it's from a comment from social media post, parang yung level of closeness mo dito sa person na to, does it matter or it affects you kahit na it's a stranger?
Parang I do accept everyone's.
Yeah.
Parang I listen to
Yeah.
everyone. Parang
Okay.
pinapakinggan ko. Or parang I hear everyone but I'm
Ah.
not listening to everyone.
Yes.
So what do you do kapag halimbawa parang, uy, wait, tinamaan ako Meron ka bang like, do you dance, do you sing, do you drink, meron kang magne-Netflix na lang muna ako, mag-YouTube
Parang
ako,
coping
may ganun.
Yes.
mechanism
Oo,
ko
oo,
kapag
oo.
so since time din ng love, funny nga kasi parang nakakonect mo rin sa mga love language mo eh. So for me, since time ako, pag nasaktan ako, ang pinaka form of parang is isolation. Na pag tahimik na ako, alam mo
Okay.
na ay nasaktan na yan.
Kasi
Oo,
pinaprocess mo siya muna.
Hindi,
That's why
it's
you
parang
need space.
So parang I
Oo.
need time to like process it or
Yes.
ganun.
Kumbaga parang, ako
Para pala ako
muna.
nahuhubaran dito sa podcast na to, no?
I appreciate what he said. Di ba, kunyari, especially sa fact-worthy list niya, pag merong manasabing feedback,
Yeah.
ang una niyang tatanungin is the person who said that. Kasi
Mm.
bine-verify or kina-clarify niya, anong ibig sabihin nun?
Mhm.
Kesa naman dibdibin niya wala siyang
Yeah.
sinabi or nagkaroon na ng lamat yung relasyon because of what he said. And then that person, sinabi ko ba yun?
Yes.
Diba, manang spur of the moment ito yung nasabi niya. Pero sa kanya, bine-verify niya para alam niya kung didibdibin niya ba or hindi. Diba?
Ang hilig ko yan, pag minsan kahit si Yani, si Yani din kasi parang
Yun na.
medyo madaldal yung jowa ko talaga.
Lumalabas
So
na.
talagang madami talaga siyang nasasabi. Pero pag merong tumatama sa akin, pinapa-explain ko talaga like anong ibig sabihin
Which is
nito?
good.
Like what does this mean? Itong sinabi mo na to. Anong ibig
Yes,
sabihin?
Yes.
Tapos yun nga, parang you often find na minsan, lalo na pag mataas yung emotions, hindi
Yes.
talaga yun yung sinasabi nila eh.
Exactly.
But
When
meron silang-
emotions are high, logic is low.
Yeah.
Oo.
So yun. So parang ako, ano ibig sabihin nito? And then I
Yes.
dig deeper. Tas,
Magandang practice.
Actually, yes. I do agree. Kasi in every relationship talaga, kaya lang naman nagkakaroon ng problema. It's because nga,
Of the
people-
interpretation.
people didn't want to talk about it. They have their own interpretations and it's actually
True.
very far from the facts.
Yes.
Pero when you have this courage in you, na sige nga, i-clarify ko na lang. Diba?
At saka sa other person, sabihin niya, bakit mo nga ba nasabi yun? Diba?
Mm.
O nga mapapaisip din siya. And then,
Yes.
ay, hindi yun. Sorry kung yun ang interpretation. Actually, this is what I meant.
So,
na-solve
speaking,
agad.
yeah, speaking of what you meant, what are the things that you usually say to yourself? Like an affirmation. Yeah, on a regular basis. Do you have something like that? Of course,
Okay.
we live in a world of self-mastery.
Yes.
For sure you have.
I love affirmations. Maraming
Yes.
tao, they're trying, di sila naniniwala sa affirmations, yung ibang tao. I don't know. But for me, it's a practice that works. Parang
Yes.
I've affirmed myself
Yeah.
to success. I can
Mm-mm.
say that's affirmations are really huge on me.
Mm-mm.
So ang affirmation ko is last year ko siya na-discover na parang I am God's favorite child. Alam mo, madam, sinare ko yan sa'yo.
Yes.
Na parang when pag sinasabi ko yun, na parang okay, everything works out for me.
Yes.
Na since kakampi ko si Lord dito or
Mm.
I have God with me, anak ako ni Lord, di niya ako pababayaan. So
True.
everything,
Exactly.
nangyari may ng away or may rejection, still like I'm God's favorite child.
True.
Na parang ginaguide niya pa rin ako dito, kasama ko pa rin siya dito. So
Mm-mm.
yun ang pinakauna kong affirmation noon. Pero alam mo, ang funny nga kasi happy talaga ako na nakakonect ako sa inyo. Kasi I think high school pa lang ako, medyo nanonood na ako ng mga motivational speaker.
Napapanood mo na kami.
Sila-
High
ay,
school ka
wow.
pala. So, ilang taon na
hindi
siya?
yun. Hindi kayo. Hindi kayo.
Umayos ka. Mambubugbog ako.
Hindi. So, ang una ko napapanood nun sila
Sige, bigyan kita chance.
E.T. the Hip Hop Preacher. E.T. the Hip Hop Preacher, para siyang, nag-ano siya, Thank God It's Monday. Parang may siyang series sa YouTube.
Yes.
Thank God, si Prince EA.
Usually,
So-
they hate Mondays. Pero yung affirmation na yun, thank God, it's Monday.
So ako yun din ang parang dinala ko noon na, Thank God It's Monday, new chapter, new week. So kung ano man nangyari nung Sunday, Saturday, Friday, wala na yun.
It's done.
Yes.
Kung ano
It's
mong pagkakamali,
done.
okay na. Thank God It's Monday, fresh start, fresh week. Yun.
Ayun.
Pero who introduced you to this? Personal development? Alam mo, high school? Siguro nung high school, puro lang tayo, laro.
Ikaw lang yun. Ako nagbabasa na talaga ako ng libro.
Talaga ba?
Follower na ako ni Oprah. Lagi ka nang dadomoy. Joke.
Pero yun na nga, who inspired
Sino yung
you,
sino yung first love mo?
Oh.
Yan. Who is this person that you first love in terms of your self-mastery journey?
Okay. Ang weird
First
pag
love
kinomplete ko yung sentence na ang first love ko, pero ang first love ko sa ganito is si Robert Kiyosaki. Funny story, na-kick out ako sa, parang naging homeless ako at one point in my
Really?
college life.
College life.
Oo.
Philippines or US?
Philippines. Dito naman ako
Philippines.
nag-college. So, nasa Mapua kami sa Intramuros. Tapos, 4 kami magkakasama sa dorm.
Engineer ka? Or
Engineering ako
engineering. Okay.
Tapos, 4 kami magkakasama sa place. Tapos, biglang nag-decide sila na, ayaw na pala namin magstay. So, kailangan ko na mag-move out.
Nilaglag.
Na parang, sige, alis na rin pala ako. So, may mga I think merong mga days na may backpack lang ako, tapos nakikiligo ako sa mga friends ko. Though, madami naman ako friends dito sa Manila, so medyo palipat-lipat.
Oo.
Parang
Wait,
ginawa ko na silang Airbnb nun.
Sorry, your family kasi is not from Manila.
Wala, sa Olongapo.
I see.
Mm.
Okay,
Sa
okay.
Olongapo sila nun. Tapos, merong isa akong friend na medyo na-depress siya. Tapos parang sabi niya na kailangan ko ng kasama, ganyan.
Mhm.
Nagkataon, libre din yung yung isang niya, bunk bed.
Mhm.
So, kahit dito ka na, hindi ka na magbayad.
sweet.
Masamahan mo lang para lang may kasama ako.
Oh,
ganun.
that's so kind.
So sabi ko, sige, sure. Tapos, nung naglilipat na ako ng mga gamit ko, meron ako nakitang isang book. Di ako mahilig magbasa. Hindi ako nagbabasa. Parehas tayo, Jeff. Di ako nagbabasa ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Mahilig ako manood ng YouTube, ganyan.
Yes.
Pero di ako nagbabasa. Pero nakita ko yung librong yon. Nakita ko yung Cash Flow Quadrant ni Robert Kiyosaki. Tapos, sabi ko, ano to? Sabi niya, binigay lang niya sa akin ng tita ko. Pero kung ikaw gusto mong basahin mo na. So, pumunta ako sa Starbucks. Talaga naalala ko pa yun. Dala ko yung libro ni Robert Kiyosaki. Mga first few pages pa lang, sabi ko,
Nahook ka na.
bakit hindi tinuturo to sa school?
Exactly.
Ito yung secret sa kayamanan, sa success.
Yes.
Bakit hindi? Bakit ang dami kong inaral ng mga structures, ng mga beams, ng mga calculus na hindi pala yun.
Hindi kailangan sa
ito
real
pala.
Hindi ko pala laging kailangan hanapin yung X and Y para yumaman.
Dapat kalimutan si X, ganon.
Pag X ka lang. Pag Y ka lang. Hindi mo kailangan
Okay,
nalagyan ng
maghalo.
meaning.
Okay.
So, naano ko si Robert Kiyosaki, doon na ako nag-start na gano'n. And then, ang buhay ko nangyari noon was, when I was finishing college, I spent my remaining days in college in the library.
Wow, very studious.
Na, sabi ko, meron po ba kayong mga gantong same na libro dito? Meron doon sa pinakadulo. Sa pinakadulo na inaalikabok na. Puro mga
Yes.
self-help books.
Oo.
Tapos dun, yun na yung naging parang paradise ko. Na
Sanctuary.
kahit isa lang yung klase ko, let's say 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., 7 a.m. pa lang andun na ako sa library. Uuwi ako ng alas 6 ng gabi.
Grabe.
Nagbabasa lang ako ng
Gusto
ng
ko lang
libro.
i-acknowledge yung school mo. Because not all libraries. Siguro sa Mindanao. Pero merong portion ng library nyo.
Sa
puro
pinakasulok,
Yes.
may isang shelf
Ang
lang.
galing.
John Maxwell, Tony Robbins, classics,
Oo.
Malcolm Gladwell, lahat. So sabi ko, ito na yung heaven ko.
Yes.
Doon ako
Sa
na-
library namin, may ganun din. Pero, nagpupunta ako sa library, ang basa ko mga Sidney Sheldon, mga Daniel Steele, kasi I was learning English naman. Oo, so parang gusto kong magkaroon ako ng kaalaman sa English kasi I don't know how to speak English nga. So, nagbabasa ako ng mga pocket books na in English. Di ba?
Sa library. Di
Sa
ba
library.
iuwi?
Ay, hindi
Borrow.
kasi kapag nasa bahay ka, parang ang bilis ma-distract eh. Iba talaga. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo huwag mo ako dinadama. So ngayon, ito yung question ko sa'yo. Pagkatapos mo, uwi ka na sa bahay, how do you pamper yourself naman ngayon?
Ngayon.
Para, syempre, ang dami mo ng pinagdaanan.
Before at
Hindi,
ngayon?
ngayon, naka-move out ka na eh. Tapos you are already the Alec Cuenca, who people follow because of your wisdom, of your love.
Pero before that, you finished college man or dumiretso ka sa business?
Funny story, OJT na lang ako.
What do you mean OJT?
OJT na lang.
Training.
On the job training. So I had
see.
to work na sa factory because I was a manufacturing engineering student. So sa factories dapat ako mag-work. OJT na lang nag-pandemic.
How young are you ba? How young are you?
Parang gulat na gulat tayo.
How young are you?
Para makatulong sa math nyo, 7 years naman ako nagstay sa school.
Okay.
7 years. So medyo matagal ako doon.
Alam mo,
Sabi
feeling
ko,
ko,
I
I
love
was talking
learning
to 17. 17 years old ba tong kausap ko? Diyos ko miyo.
So 7 years ako sa college.
Okay. Pero hindi kasi 5 years talaga ang engineering, right? At tapos nagstay ka pa for 2 years more.
So yun, nung OJT na, nawala ng work yung mother ko. Tapos nag-pandemic. Tapos ako, I really felt na there was something to social media na parang pwede kang kumita dito eh. Parang habang lahat ng tao sumasayaw, kumakanta, nagli-lip sync.
Yes.
Nagpapasexy lang online nun. Parang
Sana
feeling
all
ko talaga,
kaya magpa-sexy.
parang feeling ko talaga there's something here.
Yeah.
So parang sabi ko, no pressure kahit hindi muna tayo mag-OJT. Kasi OJT, tinuloy pa rin naman pero online OJT, which is ako siya. Sabi ko, I'll take this 3 months. Just give it a try. Testing ko lang to. To see kung meron. And then, yun, I started selling shirts.
So, nagbenta-benta ka rin pala talaga.
I started holding TikTok workshops.
Yes.
Kung ano-ano mga pinagtuturo ko online. So, kung ano-anong para lang kumita. Brands started to come in as well. So, yun, medyo, after nun, nakita ko na, oh my gosh, hindi ko kailangan ng degree. Hindi ko na kailangan. Like, okay na to, kumikita na ako, dire-diretso na to. So, yun, hindi na ako tumigil.
Yes. Kasi for kasi, di ba, we do cash flow 101 workshop. Ako kasi, parang the way I understand it, people are saying kasi na Robert is actually advocating for people not to go to school, or even reach that. But the truth is, they do believe in school. Although, for them kasi, school is good at teaching us how to read, how to write, how to do the math. Yeah. But one thing that school doesn't teach is financial education.
Yes.
Yun yung separation.
Super timely niyan kasi pauwi kami galing Hong Kong. Konting flex ko lang. It was a dream come true for me na I brought my family to Hong Kong. Like all expense paid. Dinala ko talaga sa sila
May
doon.
adoption paper po ba? Kasi magpapa-adapt na din ako.
Naka-ready na naman dyan. Medyo marami na. But it was a really happy moment for me. But one conversation na hindi ko makakalimutan was nasa airport kami and then yung bunso kong kapatid parang nasa walk-a-later kami. Tapos sabi niya, parang napunta yung conversation namin na parang, Kuya Alec, grabe, ang daming pera. Parang gano'n. Tapos parang si Yani, narinig ko na siya na parang, that's why you work hard. That's why you really work hard. Na if you want something, huwag kang matakot. Want it, but you gotta work for it. Yes. Sabi niya. And then, dumagdag ako. Sabi ko, and also, learn about money kasi magkaiba yan. You can work hard all your life, but if you don't learn how money works, hindi ka yayaman.
True.
It's para siyang, let's say, reading, writing, making money is also a skill. It's ibang usapan talaga yan. So, kung magaling ka, let's say, kahit nga, marami ako nakikilala ngayon, nami-meet ngayon na, let's say, magaling na artist, pero walang alam sa business.
Yes.
Broke na artist yan.
Correct.
Rather than, kahit hindi ka ganun kagaling sa craft mo, pero marunong ka sa business.
Yeah, you know how to market and sell yourself. Yeah.
Mas malaki yung kinikita mo.
True.
Kaya rin, marami kang makikita na mas magaling ka pa, parang siya, hindi naman siya ganun kagaling, pero ang laki ng kita niya. Kasi nag-aral sila ng pera.
Yes.
Samantalang yung, a lot of people, ang inaral lang nila is yung craft nila, pero hindi nila inaral yung side ng paggawa ng pera.
Yes, passionate lang, pero not passionate on the money side of everything.
Yes.
Yeah, so speaking of money side, I want to go back dun sa question ko. Ngayon that you are the Alec Cuenca, and you were able
Sino
to
si Alex?
Sorry. Alex Hermosi pala. So, you're, diba, yun na, nadala mo na nga yung, na-bring mo na yung family. Nadala mo na yung family mo sa Hong Kong. All expense paid. How do you reward yourself with everything that you are doing?
Uh, surprisingly, medyo low cost to. Kasi, ang ginagawa ko ngayon is actually video games. Which
Oh.
is,
Video games, hindi kaya siya low cost. Mahal din yung mga
pero for me, I just bought a PS5. And yung
Mm.
PS5 ko, isa lang yung game ko doon. Na
Mm.
parang, yun lang yung lalaro ko every night na I feel like overwhelmed, na sagad-sagad ng work, 10 p.m., I just need to play one game.
Anong game yan?
NBA. Like, I just play
you like
NBA.
NBA.
So, okay na
Nice.
yun.
Okay.
But on a bigger scale, the way that I pamper myself is through travel.
Nice.
Talaga. Parang iba yung experience niya for me. And this one, it doesn't need to be like a fancy travel. It could be maybe to La Union.
Yes.
So I just make sure na every 3 months, nag-travel talaga ako.
Yeah.
Do you Ay, sige. Go.
When you travel, ano yung pinakagusto? Kasi iba, they travel because they want to try the food.
Yeah.
Diba? Mga food.
Totoo.
So, iba naman, they want to visit the temple.
Yeah.
Diba?
Ako, I wanna sleep.
How about
I travel
Tatakas
to
para
sleep.
makatulog.
Yes.
What do you do when you travel? Ano yung pinaka-una mong gawin when you landed at that place? Kailangan mo punta natin ganito. Ano yung mga gusto mong
Ganon ka ba? Are you that kind of person na parang kapag nag-travel ka, may itinerary na
Oo.
1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m.
Systematic.
Hindi ako ganon.
Okay.
Ako, ang non-negotiable ko pag sa travel is kailangan maganda yung photos ng jowa ko.
Oy!
Yun talaga.
Grabe na.
Yung buhok
Mukhang
ko,
Yun talaga.
Mukhang may matinding pangangailangan to si Alec ngayong Pasko.
Yan talaga.
Mukhang may hinihingi to. May
Kailan
wish
ba ito
list
lalabas?
to.
February to lalabas, diba? Sakto Valentine's, diba? So,
Okay,
medyo
yes.
kailangan.
Mukhang matindi. Kailan ang anniversary nyo?
September.
Malayo-layo.
Malayo-layo pa. Pero pwede na pag-ipunan nyo.
Yes. Pero hindi.
Yun
going
talaga.
back, talaga.
Parang ang joy ko is pag nangyari kagabi after nung Hong Kong trip namin, Disneyland, lahat, sobrang saya talaga. Pero ang pinaka-priceless for me is yung makita yung picture ko sa kanang partner ko na magkasama kami sa ibang lugar and
Ba't
experiencing
ako
it together.
kinikilig? Naiinis
So, is it
ako.
time? Sabi na-mention mo ba? Is it time you're one
Yeah.
of your
Yes,
lalaki
yes.
kasama?
So,
So parang yun, na parang grabe. Kasi iba yung makuha mo yung success na pinapangarap mo versus sa makuha mo yung success na pinapangarap mo kasama yung mga taong kasama mo mangarap.
Kasama yung pinapangarap mo din nila.
Kinikilig naman ako. Alam mo, Coach Alec, ang daming mga babae ngayon na siguro feeling ko nagko-comment, #sana all, tapos tinatag na nila yung mga boyfriend at asawa nila. Kasi alam mo, not every man are like this. Mas marami yung lalaki na they'd rather be na wala sa photos, or kaya, halimbawa,
They want to be the Instagram boyfriend lang, pero sila kumuha ng
oo.
photo.
Or kahit nga hindi ganun katyaga na mag-take ng photos ng marami,
Yeah.
'di ba? Ang amazing nun ha. Kudos to you for that. Ano favorite movie mo?
Wow!
Ang ganda ng transition, ng tawid mo doon.
Ganon talaga tayo. Anong favorite mo? Anong favorite movie mo?
Kaya gusto ko talaga itong Slam Book, the best podcast
Yes.
ever. Super unique line of
Diba?
questioning.
Wala
na ano. Okay, favorite movie na agad.
Yes. Anong favorite movie mo? Kapag na-feel down ka. Ganyan. Meron kang ganyan. May go-to movie ka na
So
parang,
kung may
ito
sinabi
yung pang
kang,
pick me
kung
up.
sinabi mong eat, pray, and love, makukonect natin siya dun sa
Oo,
travel.
sa travel.
Yes, oo.
Kaso hindi Eat, Pray, and Love eh. Ang ano ko, favorite movie, dalawa.
Ano?
First one is Pursuit of Happiness.
Ay,
Ay.
oo naman. Grabe
As
lang
in-
nakaiyak yun.
But before
Tapos
the
yung
second one, bakit? Bakit Pursuit of Happiness?
That scene na natutulog sila sa
Comfort
Sa
food.
CR.
Sa CR.
Yes.
Parang, when I came here to Manila, I was sleeping sa kotse ng pinsan ko na hiniram ko lang. And meron ako, pumunta ako dito sa Manila after pandemic nung nag-open up na. I had 1,500 pesos. Diba? Sabi kasi nila maraming opportunities dito sa Manila. Kahit na may online ako. I was broke, I had a lot of pero for me, sinugal ko talaga punta ako dito. Pero wala pa akong matulugan, magpagstayan. But that scene din sa Pursuit of Happiness, na parang, when you look at that scene, when you rewatch it, pag pinanood mo siya ulit, or ako, at least ako, pag pinapanood ko siya ulit, yung scene na yon, tas alam mo kung paano mag-end. Parang, nothing is impossible. Like, if you're in your lowest, just keep on moving forward. Meron kang magandang ending. So for me, parang yun yung comfort ano ko talaga na pag struggling ganyan. Second is something that I've watched recently ng buo at mas naintindihan is The Greatest Showman.
Yes. Grabe naman talaga
Again,
din
why?
yan.
Why?
So,
And gusto ko malaman bakit because
sige
you
na,
love
sasagutin ko na yung
music.
next question nyo doon. Kung ano yung favorite music ko. Ano yung favorite song nyo. Alam ko na.
Wag
dyan
kang
papunta
pala
yun.
desisyon.
Ay.
Hindi mo alam kung ano yung kasunod. Sagutin mo muna.
Okay.
Inunahan
Okay,
tayo.
okay.
Yung production ko nanggagalaiti eh.
Nangunguna ka eh.
Nangunguna eh.
So you
Okay.
like music?
Malapit na ako mambugbog.
Hindi. Not much of the music. Pero again, the story.
Yes.
Of like, grabe pangarap.
Yeah.
Yes.
Story of Dream. A Pursuit of Happiness at saka The Greatest Showman, it actually reflects on you as the person na who is a big dreamer.
Yes.
Regardless of the obstacle, talagang
Totoo.
laban lang at laban. Kapit lang sa pangarap, no?
Parang all my life, ang pinanghawakan ko lang talaga yung pangarap. Na parang kahit anong storya ang ibato mo sa akin, kahit anong challenge, lagi ko siyang ibabalik sa tuloy lang, may pangarap ka.
Yes.
Well, speaking of, anong pangarap mo noon pa man?
Nung bata ka? Hindi siguro nung ano. Di ba
Kasi
yung
nag-evolve yan eh.
Nung bata ka, ano
Alam mo,
pangarap?
dahil nga,
Anong pangarap?
dahil ini-invite nyo ako, syempre napapaisip na rin ako ng mga ano yung sasagot ko dito sa slam book na to. Pero napa-reflect ako. Super funny kasi ang isinulat ko sa, anong tawag doon pag sa graduation? Yung
Yung
Yearbook.
graduation yearbook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ang goal ko doon is
May yearbook kayo? Sad. Wala kami nun.
okay.
Wala. Sige, give back.
Ang nilagay ko sa yearbook ko, my dream was to be a saint.
Saint? Santo? Saint Benedict, ganyan.
Pero bakit?
Oh.
Sino yung naging inspiration mo? Bakit naging saint? Gusto mo yung saint?
Hindi, so
Bait pala nito?
ngayon ko lang
Sobra.
ata ito na-share. So, bata pa lang ako. Medyo, wala akong specific na saint. Pero I admire saints kasi they really gave everything for their mission.
Yes.
Na parang their mission was to, spread the word of God and they'll die doing it. Parang they will be rewarded in this life or in the next life. Hindi, ayoko nang ano. Nag-e-enjoy kami dito. Wag mo akong bigyan ng 15 minutes lang. Mamalis ka. Nagsisimula pa lang.
Saglit. Ang timely, no? Napaka-timely na ang sabi niya.
Ako ang magsasabi.
Napaka-timely. I wanted to be a saint. Tapos, wag ka.
Ako masusunod. Ako ang magsasabi.
Oh my God. What kind of saint is
Mali.
this? Mali
Ngayon,
yung
alam niyo na.
pasok mo.
Binago ko naman yun,
Oo.
guys.
Pero
Binago
wait,
ko siya.
Coach Alec, wag kang mag-alala. Pwede ka pa rin maging saint. Kasalanan nila. Hindi sila marunong tumiming.
Pero wait, kailangan ko malaman nito. Hindi ako makakatulog. Bakit saint
Okay.
ka?
Ayun
Galing
nga,
private school ka, nung elementary.
Oo.
Okay.
So medyo pag 12 o'clock, pag gagalaw na, pag nga naglalakad, kasi pag 12 o'clock, nag-ring yung bell, di ka na pwedeng gumalaw. Kasi magdadasal na ng
Kasi may
Angelus.
Angelus.
Angelus. So,
12
ganun
and
talaga.
6 p.m.
12 and 6 p.m.
Hinto ka talaga.
Kasi kailangan mo magdasal.
Oh
Magagalitan
my
ka.
gosh, hindi ko alam yun.
Hindi ka pwedeng gumalaw.
I
Tapos
didn't
maraming
come from Catholic
parang yung Squid
school.
Games, ganun kami nung
Oo.
Pag gumalaw ka, makita ko ng mga Anyway, so going back. I wanted to be a saint kasi nga, like these people, they're known for their lives that they
Sacrifices,
gave
yes.
everything up for their dreams.
Yes.
So for me, hindi pala yung pagiging santo yung gusto ko, hindi pala yung saint, but it's the fact that dahil sa pangarap, meron ka lang isang pangarap at pinanghawakan mo siya.
Yes.
Ngayon, meron ka na nun. So parang yun yung gusto kong maging story ng buhay
Sige.
ko.
Kung nag-evolve from a saint, ano yung next naging pangarap mo?
Pope na lang. Joke.
Kung magmamadre ata si Yani. Naalala mo
Pwede.
pa ba? Naalala
Actually,
mo ba
na-envision ko na
yung
eh.
next pangarap mo?
ang naging next pangarap ko na was to
Artista?
hindi actually Parang Steve Jobs. Parang to
okay.
be
The
like
next Steve Jobs.
the next Steve
Wow.
Jobs.
Yes.
Parang kasi grabe ang impact. Na siya nangarap lang siya na one day lahat ng bahay may computer. Which is parang hindi pang mga nerd lang yan. Bakit kami magkakaroon ng computer?
Oo.
So parang siya hindi pangarap lang din.
Correct.
Pero yun. So ganun pa rin. I think it's less about the title.
It's really about the
Yes.
mission
It's
and
about
the purpose.
Nangarap ka tapos you made it happen.
And
Yes.
now, ano naman ang pangarap ni Ali Coinca? May anong pangarap niya ngayon? Na malalaman na natin.
ang pangarap ko is to, of course, parang, funny nga parang as you grow older, parang hindi sa hindi ka na nangangarap, pero yung pangarap mo, it starts to become less about you, but more about others.
Yes. Ano pinapangarap mong kainin? Kung may isang pagkain ngayon,
Maraming pang,
Coach Alec, ano yung pinapangarap mo na pagkain na parang pag-iipunan ko to ng husto na pag
akala ko
kumita
yung
ako ng ganitong certain amount of money, this is the first food that I'm going to try.
caviar with buko juice. Joke lang.
Hindi ko alam.
Joke lang.
Hindi ko ma-imagine yung lasa.
Meron ako caviar.
Pero bago yan,
Wala akong pinangarap na na
pagkain. Or place to go to.
Ooh, now I recently nakakausap ko, nabigyan ako ng bagong pangarap, Lapland. Lapland.
Lapland?
Iba yung naririnig ko
Ako,
Lapland. Hindi.
Lapland.
Basta yung place na maraming snow. Pwede, Antarctica na lang para madali.
Okay.
Yeah. Medyo
Antarctica.
Yes.
So
Gusto
parang,
mong mag-swim sa ice.
gusto ko lang makita yung other side of the world. Na I think yun yung pinaka-opposite natin dahil dito sa Pilipinas ang init. Tapos doon sobrang lamig. So parang other version of life.
Yes.
So yun.
Do you believe na may Santa Claus? Kasi 'di ba sa North Pole siya nung lumalaki ka. Eto 'di ba? Oy, ano to lahat tayo mga karamihan ng mga bata lumaki tayo na naniniwala tayo sa Santa Claus. And then ako, I grew up believing right now that Santa Claus is actually Father God. Ikaw ba, do you believe in the concept of Santa Claus?
Hindi kasi 'di ba yung mga bata kapag Christmas nagkakaroon sila ng regalo. Ako kasi nung bata ako, nung Christmas, nawawalan pa ako ng regalo.
Kasi?
Nawawala yung mga nire-regalo kasi
Kinukuha?
So,
Literal?
literal.
Okay.
So, I have a really weird relationship with Christmas and with gifts especially. Kaya rin ngayon sobrang halaga sa akin yung PS5. Like, it's a simple PS5, but
Ito pala regalo ko muna sa iyo, Coach Alec.
Thank you
That's
so
for
much.
you, ha?
Thank you. Kilobread PH.
Yes.
So yun, parang there were a lot of times na I was nireregaluhan ako ng mother ko who was in abroad ng mga video games. And then sinasangla ng tatay ko. So parang I would wake up either Christmas or after the New Year, yung saglit na na-enjoy ko na bagong cellphone, bagong iPod, bagong MP3, nawawala siya. So
Is there
medyo,
a specific reason? Are you comfortable to share? Ano yung reason mo bakit niya sinasangla?
Well, for him, he got into a very bad habit of gambling.
Gambling.
Because and alam mo, laki ng utang na loob ko sa healing and sa transformation and inner healing. Kasi I recently had a conversation with him na parang, wala na naman, matagal ko na siya napatawad. Diba? But iba pa rin yung you talk about it.
Yes.
So, parang, hindi ko siya makakalimutan. It was MMI na bigla
Millionaire
siyang,
Mind Intensive by Laura's Trainings.
yes. Day 2 yun. So, alam ko yung naalala ko yun, tumawag siya bigla. Actually, tumawag ako. Because there was like, I think there was a part there na you have to go back to your beliefs about money and their
yung root cause.
Yes. So parang for me nga, parang ayoko ng mga material na bagay or lagi ko nasisira, lagi ko nawawala yung mga bagay kasi I really had a bad relationship with material
and
things.
You didn't know why.
I didn't know why.
Yes.
And even with money. Before, like pag may dumating yung pera, parang gastos agad kasi ayoko yan. Like, ano mo yun, apparently when I was growing up, lagi siyang nawawala. So I had the opportunity to talk to him. Na parang tumawag ako sa kanya, tapos sabi ko, wala na naman to. But I just wanted to express it. I just wanted to release it out. Na remember when I was a child, na laging nagpa-promise ka sa akin na hihiramin mo and si mama lagi siya magbibigay. Tapos lagi mo na lang sinasangla. Parang, I already forgive you, but I just wanna ask why? Like, bakit mo siya ginagawa? Bakit mo ginawa yun? Parang sabi niya, parang I was rushing, nagmamadali ako na iligtas na tayo sa kahirapan. Na the only way na alam ko is through sugal. So parang that was his way. Kasi he was trying to love us so much. But, the methods were not...
Yeah, the intention
Yes.
is good.
Yeah,
but
the actions weren't.
Yeah.
And it's something na ang hirap intindihin eh.
Oo. Tapos parang sabi niya, dun din siya na parang, pero alam mo na, I just wanna say sorry. And sana mapatawad mo ko. Na parang sabi ko sa kanya, matagal na kita napatawad. But gusto ko rin sabihin sa'yo yun, na pinapatawad na kita.
Yes. It feels so good.
It does. Ngayon,
Did you cry? Are you both crying during that moment?
Oo. Medyo,
Is it a phone call ba? Or
yes, phone call.
face-to-face?
Phone
Okay.
call siya.
Pero nagkita na kayo in person?
Oo naman. Nagkikita. We're in good terms.
Okay.
But yung past is like past. Huwag mo nang babalikan yan. Diba?
Yes.
Hindi na natin ano yan. Pero yun. It's just a really great way for me to kind of like
Close the chapter.
close the chapter
Yes.
and create new beliefs
Yes.
around money,
Yes.
about material things. Ngayon, pag nakita ko yung PS5, hindi ba nanakaw yan? Nandyan pa ba yan? And parang wala nang kaba na parang, no, things are here to stay.
Yes.
Do you believe that after what happened, everything went okay?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh.
Kaya
Laking bagay
I really
talaga.
push people to like really confront your healings.
Yes.
The things
The
that you wanna
people who
heal.
cause you the pain, it's much
Yes.
better talaga if you talk to them. Kasi it's good already when you are able to forgive. Kahit na hindi mo nakakausap yung tao. Because forgiveness, we do it for our own peace of
Yeah.
mind. But
Yeah.
it's actually on a different level when you have that courage to actually talk to the person who gave you so much pain.
Yeah.
And tell them na napatawad na kita. And it's an additional, it's a bonus na lang. Parang cream to the cake na lang na maghumingi rin sila ng pakapatawaran pag na-recognize nila na, yeah, I did something wrong to
Yeah.
you.
Parang releasing yourself from the past.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Ano ang kanta
Okay,
ng buhay mo
move on.
ngayon, Coach Anne? If you are to, alam mo if you are to write a song, kasi di ba nauso yun ngayon? Uso yun ngayon yung yung papagawa ka ng song, tapos may maggagawa ng song. I mean, may chat GPT na eh. 'Di ba? If you are going to create a song, what would be the central theme of your song pertaining to your life journey?
Siguro hindi ko na lang siya i-AI. Parang meron akong isang kanta na I think pag sinasabi mo na what's the song of your life, na yun lang talaga naiisip ko. It's From Now On by yun sa The Greatest Showman din.
Paano yun? Paano yung tono nun?
Ay, ang galing, ang ganda.
Ano ito? Ay, mukhang naganda. Mukhang naganda. Mukhang pinaghandaan.
Ito na yung pinaka-hinihintay kong part.
Pinagandaan pala to. Okay.
Hindi. So, the song goes like, hindi nagpapilit. Hindi kasi ayokong kumanta. Hindi kasi ganyan yung branding ko. Pilitin nyo pa ako. Hindi.
Yun talagang,
But, alam mo,
mukhang inaantay niya yung moment na to. Sabi niya, tagal naman.
Kasi nung
5 minutes na lang, wala pa yung inaantay ko tanong.
Narinig ko yung mga yung mga naging guest nyo na pinakanta nyo Sabi ko, yun yung kailangan
pagkakataon mo na to.
Kailangan
Sige,
mamili
game.
na kanta. Okay.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our special guest for tonight, rendering us a very special song about his life.
From now on, these eyes will not be blinded by the light. From now on, what's waiting for tomorrow starts tonight. It starts tonight. Hindi ko na alam yung lyrics. Basta.
Pero naiiyak ako.
Ako din.
Light a candle in my heart. From now on. From now on. So, yun yung kanta kasi na From now on, parang, yes, kakamali ka. And I have made a lot of mistakes in the past. Like, things na hindi na magkakasya sa 5 minuto na natitira natin.
Kasi itong prod
natin yun.
Mamaya kayo sa akin. Sinenyasan ko na nga na, okay lang sumobra ha. Hindi pa rin ako pinagbigyan.
Hindi mo kasi kinurot
Gusto niya po
eh.
magkwento
Ayan.
Yun yung kanta na, magkakamali ka talaga.
Mhm.
Just wake up and acknowledge the mistakes and then learn from it
Mhm.
and then start fresh. Start new,
Yes,
keep moving
yes.
forward.
Something na very hard to do, yung acknowledge your own mistakes.
Mhm.
Right?
Yes.
Kapag hindi mo ma-acknowledge, hindi ka talaga makapag-move forward. Kasi yun not, ano yung tawag ito, walang accountability.
Yeah.
You always blame other people.
Mm.
But you never acknowledge na meron ka ding contribution sa
Meron
pagkakamali.
at meron lagi.
Yes.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
always takes two to tango. Pero iba yun when you're coming from the space na all of these are on me. Remove natin yung expectation, yung blame from the other person, whether or not they take accountability, right? Recognize kung may mali sila. Basta ako na-recognize ko, alam ko ito yung mali ko.
And that is the greatest power, actually.
Yan. And that is why you are the greatest showman. For episode.
Naisingit yun.
Cue background music.
Diba? Ayan. Last question na lang,
Alright.
Coach Alec, kasi hindi mo kinurot yung production
May 2 minutes pa
natin.
pala.
May
Ay,
2
naisingit,
minutes
may
pa.
singit pa.
Sige, what would be your mantra in life? What is your mantra in life right now?
Oh, mantra in life. Parang, hindi ko pala naisip yung tanong na yan. Mantra in life is, wow. Naku, maisip.
Siguro something about dreaming.
Something about, yeah, around the dream na parang if you have a dream, you gotta protect it.
Yes. Ah,
Don't let
pursuit of happiness.
don't let
Yeah.
anyone tell you what you can or can't do.
Yes.
Yes.
Yung nasa ano sila nun, yung nasa, what do you
Basketball
call,
court.
yung nasa batas, nakahawak siyang ganun
Yeah.
sa parang cage na yan, diba?
Sayang you weren't able to attend that 2018. Was it 2018? 2016, yeah.
Ah, si
Yeah.
Will
When we
Gardner.
invited Chris
We
Gardner.
brought
Chris
him,
Gardner?
Chris
Oh
Gardner.
my
A lot of people were crying when he told about the story dun sa comfort room.
Mm-mm. Ayun.
Sayang.
Sayang. Well, ako rin pala dapat kwento ko rin yung mga ganong story ako, di ba? Para
yes.
yung mga, but thank you so much for having me here. It was a really nice experience and I'm so happy. I got to tell stories na hindi ko, I think yung iba din dito first time nilang maririnig. So thank you so much.
And thank you for giving us the privilege to actually hear it and air
Yeah.
it to all the viewers and listeners of Islam Book Millionaire.
Just being open. That's already good enough
Yes.
for us. Na being
Mm-mm.
open, being authentic.
Yun
na
nga,
walang holding
yun nga yung
bars.
sinasabi natin kanina, no? Na parang when we were briefing yung, ano namin, yung isang guest din. Kasi there are things, especially for people like you, na you are an influencer, you are an entrepreneur, you have lots of followers. Usually, you talk about business, content
Yeah.
creation,
Mhm.
who are you as an influencer, which is people, ilang beses na, lalo na yung mga avid followers, ilang beses na nilang naririnig from you.
Mm.
So that's the purpose of Islam Book Millionaire. We want our guests to have an opportunity to tell about them as human. Alam mo yun, napaka-simpleng concept, napaka-simpleng mga tanong, pero biglang mo marirealize, ay, ang lalim pala nun, ang lalim pala nung pinaghuhugutan niya,
Mhm.
biglang, ano pala, connected pala sa personal life niya yun, or kaya pala siya ganito sigasig sa life, it's because of, alam mo yun, yung belief nila about money, or yung
Yeah.
sino yung mga naging crush nila, yung mga
Yeah.
first love nila. So thank you for giving us the
Yeah.
opportunity to show Alec Cuenca the different
Yeah.
side.
Who is Alec Cuenca?
Yes. Without,
The real
kumbaga,
Alec Cuenca.
without the intention to provide value to others, but just, talk about who
Sharing
you are.
his story.
Oo, pero minsan, alam mo, hindi ko na nga maiwasan. Ang hilig ko din talagang ganito yung usapan. Na
Yes.
very
Chill.
and also like very meaningful. Para minsan nga naiirita na sila sa akin kasi kahit kakanal usapan na.
Biglang
Diba?
papasok.
Biglang may pero alam mo, ang gandang lesson yan sa buhay. Minsan naiirita na sila sa akin.
Siya si Saint nga.
Kasi
Saint nga siya.
ewan ko, that's just me. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, I'm really happy that this platform that you guys have is inviting conversations such as this one. So I'm really looking forward for the next ones, and hopefully maybe in the next season
Yeah, it's
matuloy-
longer than 45
longer
minutes.
than 45 minutes. Guys, take
Yes.
note.
Yes, i-workout natin na
Pag
mas mahaba.
ako, joke.
More time, please.
More
Yes.
time.
Alec.
Pero what would be your message, Coach Alec, to everyone watching or listening to us? And if ever, of course, alam ko naman na marami, alam na nila kung saan ka ipa-follow. But for the people na first time ka nila ma-meet
Yep.
through the Slam Book Millionaire, where can they find you or how can they connect with you?
Yeah, so my message to everyone is to never dim your light. Always continue dreaming.
Yes.
Wag niyong bibitawan yung childlike attitude nyo na mangarap
Yes.
ng kahit na ano. Dahil if kaya nyo yung pangarapin, kaya nyo yung maabot.
True.
And yeah, I love these kinds of conversations. I also make these kinds of content. So if interested pa kayong makinig pa ng mga ganito, you can find me on all of the social media platforms out there. Just search for me at Alec Cuenca. And you can also listen to my podcast called Small Talk Podcast. I also talk about personal development there, and hopefully I could have you guys on the show as well.
Wow, it's a pleasure.
It would be our
Please,
honor.
please
Yes.
schedule
Pero
po natin yan.
hindi 45 minutes.
Hindi 45.
Kasi
45 minutes
45
each.
kami.
Want to sawa,
Yes.
want to
So,
sawa.
mahirapan
Kailangan
ka.
hiwalay talaga.
Wala, mahirap kay filter.
Oo. Kailangan ko rin magkaroon ng ganito conversation.
Parang natense ako bigla.
Bibitin.
Magkahiwalay.
Oo nga, solo-solo.
Oh my God.
But yun, yeah, also I also teach about content creation, about personal branding. So if interested ka about that, send me a message or just follow me on all of my social media platforms. Also follow Co-Create Media para alam nyo kung ano yung mga kaganapans namin. We usually do workshops around this content creation, personal branding. So yeah, if you're interested, check it out.
Yes.
Yes.
And the co-create media is the the team behind our own personal
Oo.
branding.
Yes.
Kaya po siya nangungurot. Yes. So in line with that, because already Jeff mentioned, we just want to acknowledge the Co-Create Media for
Yes, thank you so
supporting us
much.
in this endeavor through the Slam Book Millionaire. We also want to acknowledge our one and only Lance Hair and Makeup Services, right? So
Totoo
maraming
na siya.
salamat.
Lance, thank you so much. If you
Yes.
like our looks, diba, just contact Lance.
Yes.
They have a Facebook page, Lance,
Yes.
ano yung Facebook
Yeah,
page?
you'll see it in the credits
Yes.
na lang. So we'll
see it in the
put it
description.
there.
Yes.
Yes, and of course, once again, we just want to acknowledge first is Pillow Bread PH. Now I'm drinking this sugar-free green slushy.
Slushies.
So I went to their program several times, and this is one of the morning slushy that I would have. Kasi pure green po siya, pero hindi mo malalasahan yung greenness in it na talagang
It's
mauubos
actually
mo
really
siya.
good.
Yes. Napaka-light, and then ang bilis lang niya inumin. Wala kasing sumasabit na, alam mo naman ako, ayoko na sibuyas, cilantro, yung mga those kind of things. Ayoko kasi ng may lasa. But this is the very first green drink that I was able to consume agad-agad.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Pillow Bread PH, for this very genius, right? Na
Very
ano mo,
healthy.
very healthy, very mindful.
This design actually for busy people.
Yes.
Right? If you're always in a meeting, always on the go, you can just bring this and have this for your
Yes,
breakfast,
and with
lunch,
coffee, of
dinner.
course. Yeah,
Yes.
bulletproof coffee. If you are like me na mahilig magkape, pero ayaw mo nagpa-palpitate ka, ayaw mo rin mag-gain ka ng fat because of the too much sugar and cream out there sa mga ibang
Yes.
coffee, go for their coffee. And also, Pillow Bed PH!
Oh my God. If you like our setup, we are here at Eastwood.
Yeah.
Yes. Close to
Oo.
mall. 2 minutes away. Walk
2 to 3 minutes.
walk away from the mall.
Yes.
And
Everything is nearby. All the
yes,
food that you
lots
would
of
be
restaurants
needing.
around the
Yes.
area.
Yeah, so yun, if you're looking for a place, you wanna just chill out, ayaw mo na, o gusto mong mag-unplug, gusto mo malis ng bahay mo and just
Gusto
be
mo
on your own.
pakalayo-layo.
Parang
Yan.
katulad ka ni Coach Alec that you want solidarity, you wanna be
You
on
want
your
to
own.
recharge and
Yes.
be away from the noise. This is the best place.
Yes, this is Pillow Beds PH. Look for them po. They're available on Facebook and Instagram. And also, you would see their link on the credit. And with that, Jeff, so another episode na naman successful.
Meron pa tayong nakalimutan. Of
Hin-
course, dapat hindi
Ay,
makalimutan.
yes! Last na, of course. Hindi, yun na nga yung sasabihin ko. Na-reach yun naman natin yung end ng ating episode 8. We've already talked a lot, especially personal development. At sino pa ba naman
Wala nang
ang
iba ba?
best provider of anything, self-mastery, financial
Yes.
success, emotional
Leadership.
maturity,
And marami
leadership,
pa.
marketing sales.
In 2025, the programs about kids.
Yes.
Diba? Are you excited for that?
For the coaches and everything, diba?
And
Hindi
for the
lang-
couples.
Yes, napakagaling ng company na to. The one and only. Laurus Trainings
by Lawrence Enterprises.
So maraming salamat for sponsoring Slambook Millionaire Laurus PH. And as we say, we transform lives. Maraming salamat. Till our next episode here at Slambook Millionaire.
Thank you
God
so
bless
much.
you. Mwah.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this episode, share this to your social media accounts and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you.
If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, share it with us at Slambook Millionaire PH.
Make sure that you're subscribed so that you get notified for our next episode.
If you know a millionaire or maybe you are the millionaire, let us know.
We'd love to have you on the show, definitely. We'd love to hear your story as well. And of course, don't forget, follow us as well at Joanna Marie Lazaro.
And Jev Aurelio.
See you in the next episode, Millionaire!